let us complete the second section on page 57 in our notes for 5-6, two-step inequalities. If we look at this word problem here, step 1 in equations is identify important information, and we're going to do the same here. So it says Amelia can spend no more than $89. Well, let's see, no more than, that symbol would be equal to, it could be that, but it also would be less than. So let's put that there as we're doing this. So less than or equal to $89 to rent a car for a day trip. Now, a rental car costs $35 a day, okay, plus 20 cents per mile. So it says write and solve an inequality to find the possible distance in miles, M, that Amelia can drive without exceeding her budget, okay? Alright, so let's see here. We have per day, and then 20 cents per mile. So it wants to know, write and solve an inequality, find the possible distance in miles, M, she can drive without exceeding her budget. And this, let's once again look at, is for a day trip, so that means the 35 is just going to happen once. Alright, so part 2 is usually identifying your variable, and that is already given here as M. Okay, and M is per mile, so that's going to go with 20 cents. So we're going to write our equation, which is step 3, or inequality in this case instead of equation. We're going to put M after it, but we're also going to add that base fee right here, which is $35. And then it can be less than or equal to, because it can be up to $89, okay? Once you've written that down, then we follow the rules, and that means the first thing we're going to do is subtract 35 from both sides. We'll do a minus 35 here, and a minus 35 here. Cancel these out. Bring down 0.20 M, less than or equal, and then 89 minus 35, that is 54. Okay? Now, next step would be we are going to divide both sides by the 20 cents. Okay? So right here is we put a fraction bar on both sides of your inequality. And we divide by 0.20 here and 0.20 here. Now these cancel out because they divide and give you 1, which means you're only going to bring down your M. So on the next line you're going to write M. You'll write less than or equal to. And then on the right hand side you're going to do 54 divide 0.2. Now watch what you get. You get 270. Okay? Now you're almost done, except for when we do real world problems, we write real world answers. And so, finally, the real world answer would be, let's roll down here, that Amelia can drive up to 270 miles. Okay? And you can add without exceeding her budget if you choose. There we are.